The world's largest vertical shaft fast planetary concrete mixer is made by Conele machinery. This big mixer, large-size access door with a sensitive safety switch. The inspection door is provided with an observation port, 6-stage hard-to-surface planetary reducer, 2 planetary axes, 1 quick knife, 6 mixing arms, a side scraper, 2 discharge scrapers, parallelogram structure, mixing blade revolution and rotation, mixing without dead ends, material uniformity reaches 100%, spiral solid conical nozzle, uniform atomization effect, make the material mix more evenly. Side doors facilitate routine maintenance and cleaning. Hydraulic switch discharge door, reliable seal, high quality, high efficiency, low maintenance. Conele Machinery is the largest manufacturer of planetary concrete mixers in China, the world's largest planetary concrete mixer. It is a reflection of its technical strength and innovation ability.